Hey guys, welcome to MVP Fiber Optic Ambient Lighting. Inside the box, here's what you have. So first and foremost, you got 5 units of LED projectors. There are a total of 6 meters long, and usually I would install 2 on the dashboard, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and 1 each at the front door, left and right door. Then you got the side glow fiber optic cable. These cables are a total of 6 meters long. Your dashboard usually take about 3 meters, which then you have 3 meters left to play with the door. So, you know, 1 kit is obviously enough for your front door and your dashboard. Next, we have the fiber optic housing. It's a hollow tubing housing with a fin on it. The fin fits into any crack of the dashboard, on your door panel, the roof line, or the floor line. Depending on where you want, you might have to take it apart or not, depending on your car. I do recommend that you consult a professional for this process. And then we have control unit box. The control unit box controls all the brightness, dimness, all the function, strobe, pulsating, and every color spectrum within the 16 million colors. You have to download the app in order to control these functions. And the box itself got a QR code where you can download the app on it. It's called Happy Lighting. So I hope you guys enjoy the installing process, and do take a picture of it. Tag us on IG at get_lit_lighting and let us know how you guys like it. We would love to see your car, and we will also select our winner of every month to get a free set of MVP Ambient Lighting.